This is person helping us with the video today. Her name is Zoe. She was a girl who kissed her mom. And it was on record. At least we didn't see it. Come on! Where are you going? Where are you going?
We're waiting for you.
Oh, fine. Somebody shushed me.
Shh.